Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how you can remove MasterCard from your Google Pay or Google Play. It's very pretty easy thing to do. Just follow these steps and you can able to remove your MasterCard from Google Pay or Google Play. So how you can do it? First open Play Store from your device. Now here you will see your profile icon on the top right corner. Just tap on it. After tap on it, you will see a bunch of options here. From here, search payments and subscription. Tap on it. Then here you have to tap on payment methods, and here you will see your payment methods or your available cards. So to remove it, just select more payment settings, and then after payment settings you will redirect it to the page where you can remove. Here you will see your card option available. Right now I didn't add any card, so I have no card, but you have what you have to do. You will see your card option here, then here you will see an option remove or edit. Just tap on remove and it will be removed from your Google Play. And that's it. That's how you can remove MasterCard from Google Pay.